In front of me is INFINIX Hot 60i, and today I would like to show you how you can enable suggestion strip at the top of your keyboard. First of all, go into Settings and scroll all the way down right away. Then select System, Languages and Input, On-screen keyboard, and finally Gboard. Now we can finally hit text correction and use gray switcher next to Show Suggestion Strip to activate it. So when I do that and go back, I can see that Suggestion Strip was successfully enabled. Quick tip, now thanks to it, you can click on gear icon and this way get transferred to those settings in a matter of seconds. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!